Okay, Doc. So, Sodor had artifact controller decided to make another diesel on this island. Let me guess. Is it another generic diesel? Wow. No. Okay, sorry. Okay, engines. I want to present to you a new engine named Weasel. I agree. No silence. Anyways, he'll take a passenger train tonight. So, no. Okay, I get it, but can he not cause confusion and delay? No, he will never. He never causes confusion and delay in mainland, so he'll typically push pull the coaches. But that means we're welcoming you to the island of Sodor. Isn't it right, Doc? Well, of course. Okay, Bucko, you'll need to collect all coaches. Why can't Thomas do it? That's literally my exact same question. Well, because he's a diesel. That's why. Yeah, it's over. Well, it doesn't even mean that is the worst thing in the world. Right, Boko? Alright, I suppose. Alright, see ya. See ya, guys. See ya, my engines. Bye, Sultan Hat. So, where should I live? Okay, I get it. I see now.
Later that night,
Okay, Weasel, you have to be careful. I will. Okay, good night. Good night. Bro. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. Oh! What are you doing? Ah! Someone's attached to me. Ah! Ah! Where am I going? Where are my coaches? Ah!